Okay, pupils, we are on this Year 6 Academy Stars Workbook on page 90. We are on Unit 8, Lesson 7, Functional Language. Activity 1. Complete the story summary with the phrases in the box. Then number the sentences in order. So we have this around 7 phrases here. So one already given example. So a few hours later, it gets dark and the girls are in trouble. So we basically we'll complete here. Then only we number the sentences in order. So B, in the mountains in Canada. So this one should be the story takes in the mountains in Canada. So we have B here, the story takes in the mountains in Canada. And C, so maybe I maximize it a bit. Are two friends called Kim and Beaton. Does this one take place? So I already erased this one. So we left this place here. And C, are two friends called Kim and Beaton. So we have these, the main characters. Are two friends called Kim and Beaton. And D, a rescue by the emergency services. So it's about and E, so we have semicolon here. We have colon, not semicolon. So be very careful when you walk in the mountains. So E, the moral is and then F, they decide to go for a walk in the mountains. So F, one day. And then G, the emergency services arrive and rescue them. So we have this one at the end. So next we number the sentences in order. So the first one, the story takes place in the mountains in Canada. And then number 2, we have this, it's about a rescue by the emergency services. So 2 here. And then number 3, the main characters are two friends called Kim and Beaton. And number 4, one day they decide to go for a walk in the mountains. So 4 here. And number 5, a few hours later it gets dark and the girls are in trouble. So 5. And number 6, at the end the emergency services arrive and rescue them. So number 6. And the final one, the moral is be very careful when you walk in the mountains. So make sure you write correctly here. And then next we move on to check-up challenge. So I minimize it a bit. Activity 1, Unscramble the words to complete the sentences. So number 1, in ancient China, the emperor ruled the country. Number 2, a is a beautiful bird, but it can be dangerous. So we have this one, swan. And then number 3, people who get angry easily have a bad temper. And then next, if you, no one will ever believe you. So obviously this is lies, tell. So if you tell lies, so T-E-L-L, double L here, lies, no one will ever believe you. And number 5, my sister forgot my birthday, but I decided to her. So forgive, F-O-R-G-I-V-E. Number 6, the emergency services people in dangerous situations. So this is rescue. And then number 7, be careful or you may fall and yourself. So this is hurt. And then the last one, I was to see her at my party. I thought she was on holiday. So this is astonished. So that's it for today. So we are on this Year 6 Academy Stars Workbook on page 90. So if you're okay, you can subscribe here. And then you can watch the related contents here. And then right below this video, there's a link. You can click it. You can join my Telegram robot for free.